my god. Good morning guys, today we're gonna do a couple of things. Number one, I'm gonna share with my students and mentees all of my trading tips and all the financial knowledge that I've acquired over the years. Just show you around the room real quick. So we have got a couple of whiteboards going on. One here, another one here, then one here. Then I try to keep my coaching less than 10 people so that I can focus more on my students. So hence, we have very cozy pace here. Rainy day today, that's why it's like having a really bad flu. But the show has to go on, so let's go. Get there. I was so young back then. Oh my god. My desk is always so messy. Like, super messy. But it's okay because you know what? Studies have shown that messy people are they smarter or what? Or are they more organized? Yeah, I think it's more organized. When you're messy, it means that you're an organized person. I kind of love this shopping center because it's like so quiet. You know, the security guard downstairs, he gave me a free drink. But today's a weekend, you know, like, see, look at that. Like nobody here. Like shops are closed and all that. I think it's more like a commercial office kind of place. 10 minutes before class starts, gotta go get my coffee. And I think my flu is gone. Hopefully it's gone. Oh no, it's still there. F this shit. Just randomly put up some quotes for people. Make more mistakes so they can learn more. Don't give a heck to what your doctors say about you. It's better to try and fail than to not try and win. The one who puts in the work will win in life. You deserve the life you dream of if you work for it. Come, you do trend following, then issues. Basically, this is what's up, okay? I never rested for many weeks, including weekends, public holidays, no rest at all. It's just work every day. Work myself to sickness. Now that's real hustle right there, alright? I know one thing about speakers, I mean in our community we always talk about that. We cannot take sick leaves. That's the only thing that you need to do when you're a speaker. The show has to go on. Don't care whether you have fever, food poisoning. Last time I had food poisoning, I still went on stage, do a 1 hour keynote. Then just come down stage, straight away go vomit. It's like, so sometimes you need to just put your feelings aside, put whatever stress that you have aside. I can tell you that this week was stressful, angry, like all kinds of emotions. But when works need to get done, put everything aside and then just get stuff done. Okay, oh good, let's look at that. Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines, have you taken Malaysia Airlines? I've taken Malaysia Airlines a couple of times, and the only thing I remember is I love their peanuts. Yes, I take Malaysia Airlines just for the peanuts. That's what's up. Still waiting for some people to come. And the good thing is tomorrow I have a vacation with my family, my parents. I look so forward to torturing my brother. Only I have the rights to torture him. You see people doing things for 20 years, 30 years, and they are still at the same place. Now if you're doing that for 10 to 20 years and you're still at the same place, you're doing things wrongly. Some things need to change. So the way you should practice correctly, alright, is to every time once you've done something, you need to get feedback. Rather than just hitting a golf ball mindlessly every day, you're not going to improve. You're not going to improve. Every time once you've done something, you need to evaluate it. You need to think about it. The key thing is evaluation and feedback. Either have somebody to monitor what you've just done, give you feedback, or you film yourself, monitor yourself, record everything down, give yourself feedback. And of course it applies to trading too. Oh my god. Guys, I just drew this randomly. And look what happens. 1 point, 2 point, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I'm gonna do a Fibonacci video soon. Like for those of you who are beginners, I'm gonna let you know what Fibonacci really is. Some people use different numbers, some people use the same number but use it differently. So yeah, if you want me to make a video on Fibonacci, give me 100 likes, then I'll do it. Otherwise, no Fibonacci videos.